Here we have Insta360 2022, the older version, and Insta360 2023, the newer version. Both of them are installed. I have a single video here. That's the low resolution version, that's the left lens, and that's the right lens. So let's drag the first one and drop it onto the older version of the program, and drop the same file onto the newer version of the program also. Let's maximize the older one, and I will place my cursor, let's say here where that line is. Okay, and see after I play the video how the line moves slightly up, but that's a small issue. So the cursor is there, press the spacebar to play it. As you can see, the line moved up, the red line of the building, and it stays mostly up. It is slightly moving, but not too much. As I shake the camera, you can see my shadow on the left side of the image also. So the line here, it moved up the line of the building, but it did not come down. Okay, now let's do the same thing in the newer version in 2023 and place the cursor in the same location and start the video. And notice from the cursor it went up, the red line, and it comes also down a little bit. So it's more wobbly, up and down, up and down. Now it went down, down again. So it's much more unstable compared to the older version. The older version, in that version, it moved only up. Here it's moving up and down. So the same thing applies to the exported video also. The horizon is moving up and down, so it's not mostly level, it's not too horizontal in the newer 2023 version. So the same video is interpreted differently by the older version and by the newer version. This one is much more stable. The horizon stays mostly more level. It's not moving up and down, it was moving slightly up only, and in the newer one it's moving up and down. So the horizon is not too level in the newer version.